Hello, my name is Joanna Dillano, and I'll be presenting metabolism. What is metabolism? It's a set of controlled chemical reactions through which living beings can change the nature of certain substances in order to obtain the nutritive elements and the amounts of energy that the process of growth, development, reproduction, and life support require. The metabolism takes place inside the cells of living organisms through a set of organic substances responsible for promoting certain reactions called enzymes. In the case of the human body, these substances are secreted by the liver. Enzymes seek to generate chemical reactions that are favorable to the body, while at the same time stopping unfavorable ones through a specific chains of reactions called metabolic pathways, in which a substance is transformed into a chemical that in turn fits a new process transformation, separating the compounds that the metabolism considers nutritious from those that is considered toxic and should be discarded or take away. The phases of the metabolism are two. One is catabolism, is energy releasing processes from the breaking of chemical bonds present in nutrients, usually through degradation and oxidation, turning complex molecules into simpler ones, um, obtaining in return chemical energy called ATP, reducing power, ability to donate electrons or receive protons from certain molecules, and the necessary components for anabolism. And the second one is anabolism, that are constructive processes that consume chemical energy to undertake the reverse process of catabolism, forming more complex molecules from um, from simple structures and supplying the body with proteins, lipids, or nucleic acids. Um, some characteristics are of the catabolism is digestion, cellular respiration, aerobic exercise, and from the anabolism is protein synthesis and physical exercise. Sorry. The types of metabolism are protein one, that they show a predilection for diets rich in protein and animal fats. In this type of metabolism, carbohydrates are not good for them. And the second one is carbohydrate metabolism, that people with this type of metabolism have a moderate appetite and have a frequent variation in weight, which prevents them from reaching a certain stability. And mixed metabolism is an intermediate between protein and carbohydrate. They remain with moderate ranges of hunger. When their diet fails, they have symptoms of fatigue. Fatigue. I don't know how to say that one. And some functions of the metabolism are they fix the carbon by means of simple biomolecules, dealing with sunlight, or chemical energy from external sources. Also, it synthesizes sugars that serve as cellular fuel, hmm, oxidizes, I don't know how to say that, and breaks down glucose extracted from organic matter. All these require digestion. And the main process for metabolism are the digestion of both the food eaten and the nutrients provided by these foods, blood circulation, elimination of waste products, and regulation of body heat. And some of the important hormones are on the catabolic side are the cortisol, glucagon, adrenaline, and cytokines. I don't know how to say that one. The cortisol are the stress hormone, increases blood pressure and blood sugar, reducing immune response. The glucagon are used during physical activity. Adrenaline increases the heartbeat, and the cytokines is produced by a response of the immune system. The anabolic is the GH that releases somatomedin, which causes growth. Insulin regulates glucose levels in the blood, and testosterone, male hormone, which develops the sexual characteristic of men, and estrogens, female's hormone, develop the sexual characteristics of women. And that's pretty much it. This is the final presentation, so I hope you like it, and I hope my point is clearly